Need to join a Zoom meeting for work, school, an online event, or a virtual gathering? Zoom makes it simple to connect from your computer, smartphone, or web browser. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to join a Zoom meeting in 2026. Before joining, you'll need a Zoom meeting invitation. This usually includes a meeting link, meeting ID, and sometimes a passcode provided by the host. Launch the Zoom desktop app, mobile app, or open Zoom in your web browser. If you don't have Zoom installed, you can download it or use the browser version if available. The easiest way to join is by clicking the meeting link from the invitation. Zoom will automatically open and prepare you to enter the meeting. If you don't have a direct link, click Join in Zoom and enter the meeting ID provided by the host. Then click Join to continue. Some meetings require a passcode for security. Enter the passcode from your invitation and continue to the meeting. Before entering the meeting, choose whether you'd like to join with your microphone and camera enabled. You can also test your audio and video devices if needed. Click Join Meeting and wait for the host to admit you if a waiting room is enabled. Once admitted, you'll enter the Zoom meeting. After joining, you'll see controls for muting your microphone, turning your camera on or off, chatting with participants, sharing your screen, and leaving the meeting. For the best experience, use a stable internet connection, join a few minutes early, test your microphone beforehand, and keep your Zoom app updated. And that's how to join a Zoom meeting in 2026. Whether you're joining from a computer, smartphone, or browser, Zoom makes it easy to connect with colleagues, classmates, clients, and friends from anywhere. Join your next meeting with confidence and stay connected. Thanks for watching.